Caution, caution, caution. You've just stepped into the yellow flag zone of sexual harassment और इससे पहले कि ये येलो रेड में बदल जाए, stop here, think, analyze, and then move ahead. Phew. यहाँ भी red, yellow, green. If you're a working woman in India, चाहे वो पब्लिक सेक्टर हो, प्राइवेट सेक्टर हो, गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर हो, रेस्टोरेंट हो, मॉल हो, शॉप्स हो, सैलून हो, स्कूल हो या फिर सिंपल डोमेस्टिक हेल्प्स ही क्यों ना हो, you have to be very careful about your safety and your protection. The National Crime Report Bureau 2021 tells us that 17,539 cases were registered, out of which 418 were in the workplace or the office premise. That is so huge. Now you would be wondering what a yellow flag is. Yellow flag is any trait or behavior in someone which you do not approve of. You don't like it, you're feeling uncomfortable, you find it inappropriate, and that is enough. अब हम हर जगह बात करते हैं रेड फ्लैग्स की, येलो फ्लैग्स की तो कोई बात ही नहीं करता. Let's try to understand this. Imagine a traffic light जिसमें है रेड, येलो और ग्रीन सिग्नल्स. ग्रीन मतलब रास्ता साफ है, सेफ है, आगे बढ़िए. रेड मतलब stop. Probably something not so good has happened and action needs to be taken क्योंकि पानी सर से ऊपर जा चुका है. पर इन दोनों के बीच में सैंडविच होता है येलो फ्लैग जोन, which ladies is the most important zone for you to realize, understand and appreciate. क्योंकि ये वो जोन है जहाँ things are in your control, you can take actions and you can push the mishap away right here. Yellow flags tell you कि ये जो behavior है, ये जो trait है, एक तो ये wrong है, दूसरा inappropriate, it could be uncomfortable, it could be unsolicited, it could be immature, it could even be toxic. Now, how to identify these yellow flags? There are certain small and subtle instances जो सिर्फ आप ही नोटिस कर पाएंगे क्योंकि ये आपके साथ हो रहा है. For instance, किसी मेल कलीग का ये कहना, आज सही लग रही हो, you're looking beautiful. या फिर किसी मेल कलीग का टची हो जाना who is not your friend, not in your inner circle, not even someone close to you. Instance 3. They are asking you to go out. Can we go out on a cup of coffee tonight? You say no, and they insist. You say no, and they insist. ऐसा भी हो सकता है they ask you for a dinner or a drink outside, and you repeatedly may say no, but gradually the pressure is building on you. No means no, right? So why are yellow flags important, and why should these not be ignored? Number 1, sometimes we try to normalize the inappropriate behavior instead of taking cognizance of it. दूसरा, we don't report it. और तीसरा, we pass it off. We laugh it off. For instance, यार वो सिर्फ beautifully तो बोल रहा था. Maybe he was just courteous. He just asked out for a dinner. Maybe he was friendly, na? Maybe I'm overthinking. Did it give a bad impression of me? कभी कभी तो आपके खुद के दोस्त, कलीग्स और आसपास के लोग ही आपको ऐसा फील कराते हैं that you are overthinking and you must relax and chill. Relax यार, chill. वो बस ऐसे ही जोक था. You should not be so sensitive about it. So what should you do when you know you have stepped in the yellow flag? Instead of ignoring, do these 4 things. सबसे पहले, communicate properly. Tell them that you don't like it. Tell them that it's making you uncomfortable. Tell them, no sir, sorry. Number 2, set the boundaries clearly. For yourself, for your sanity, for your clarity, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप कहाँ तक, किस लाइन तक comfortable हैं. For instance, just as an instance, it could be, I don't like to drink with men I do not know. Or it could be, I don't like to go out on date without even knowing the person very closely. Or it could be, I don't like to give away personal information about my family. Again, understand that boundaries are different for different people. जो आपके लिए लाइन है, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं किसी और के लिए भी वही लाइन हो, मगर आपको खुद की लाइन पता होनी चाहिए क्योंकि इसको स्टेप करने, ट्रेस पास करने के बाद you will feel uncomfortable. Number 3, seek support. Seek support to the people who you rely on, who you are confident with. They could be your office colleagues, they could be your friends, they could be your family. कोई तो होगा जिससे बात करके आपको रास्ता आगे का क्लियर दिखाई देगा. And number 4, and this is my favorite part, I keep telling this always, 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 trust your instincts. द इंसिडेंट हैज हैपेंड विथ यू. आपने देखा है, आपके साथ हुआ है, आपको पता है और सिर्फ आपको पता है. इसलिए डू नॉट सीक वैलिडेशन फ्रॉम अदर्स. इफ योर गट, योर इंस्टिंक्ट्स टेल यू दैट कुछ सही नहीं हो रहा है, लिसन टू योर हार्ट, फॉलो इट. ऑफन इट टेल्स यू द राइट वे. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, येलो इज इन द मिडल ऑफ ग्रीन एंड रेड. सिचुएशन यहाँ आपके हाथ में है. आप वो रास्ता रेड की तरफ से मोड़ के ग्रीन की तरफ से ले आ सकते हैं, ओनली इफ यू टेक कॉग्निजेंस ऑफ इट.